Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Globally, stock markets are in a resting mode. They are not reacting much to positive or negative news flow, indicating sideways activity that is likely to continue with downward pressure. Bond yields are settling below the 3.5% level. However, the dollar index is bouncing back to 103. India's CPI came at 4.7%, which would help rate sensitive sectors like NBFCs, auto and realty. However, it would reduce upside or minimize upside for the bank stocks. For our setup and for our markets, our view is 18,350, 18,300 acting as major barriers for the market. On the downside, 18,200, 18,150 going to act as major support for the market. On Friday, after hitting the levels of 18,200, we saw smart recovery in the market, which actually helped the market to move towards 18,350, but there it failed. Today, Singapore Nifty is down some 40-45 points. We may again witness the levels of 18,200 or 190, where the market has taken support on Friday. Below 18,190, we can expect further more weakness, which will help bears to send the market towards 18,100 or 120 levels. There the market is having excellent support, but below the levels of 18,190, short-term traders need to exit out of long positions. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 18,300 going to act as immediate barrier. Till the markets are below 18,300, we feel it is going to consolidate between 18,190, 200 and 18,300. Above 18,300, again the chances of hitting 18,350 would turn high, but the rally will come only if the market sustains above the mark of 18,350. While looking at the weekly chart, we are of the view that the markets are heading for at least 18,500, but for that we need to see that whether the market sustains above the mark of 18,190 or not. So for the day, the important level is 18,190 and 18,300. For the Bank Nifty, 43,300 is acting as major support for it. Below that, again 43,000 or 42,800 it may retest. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 43,750 was acting as major resistance. The Bank Nifty managed to cross these levels with the help of private banks. We saw good amount of buying interest in almost all the private banks on Friday. However, all the PSU banks were down. So it's a mix sort of activity that we are witnessing in Bank Nifty, but above 43,750, the Bank Nifty may again move towards 44,000 and in the best case scenario 44,300. So based on the levels, we need to trade in this market. For the day, we are going to focus mainly on NBFCs and also on private banks. There we are seeing good amount of buying attraction. Cement companies should do well, auto companies should do well. On the other side, weakness in PSU banks and metals are more likely. So based on this particular strategy, I think we need to trade in this market. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.